Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix payment problem. So I am now on the Netflix billing and payments page on their help center. So as you can see, they already have explained to you what you can do in order for you to resolve the issue. So as you can see, if you are getting a payment method was declined error, you can make sure that the details that you have entered about your payment methods, such as your security code, expiration date, are correct. So if they are correct, if you are 100% sure that they are correct, you can basically double check if the payment method you are trying to use is acceptable and Netflix is allowing you to use it to make your payment. You can do that using their help center again, so you can check what payment methods are acceptable. If you check that and you found out that it is actually acceptable and there is no reason for them to decline it, you can simply contact Netflix support team. You will need to sign into your account in order for you to do that. Once you sign into your Netflix account, you can chat with them and see if there is an error from their side. So yeah, super easy.